Hey there guys, welcome back to the channel, and I'm back after a long hiatus, and I'm back with a video of my favorite game, that is GTA 5. And in this video I'll be showing how to install add-on car mods in GTA 5. And to do that you will need this software called Open4. This is the official modding software for GTA 5, GTA 4 and many other games. So make sure to download this software. I will leave a link in the description. And next up we should need the mod file to mod. And in this case I'm going to mod the Ford Mustang GT from the Need for Speed movie. You must have watched it. This badass car, and this is an add-on car, not a replace car, because replace cars, those will replace the car present in the game itself, but this time around I'm going to just add on the cars which can be spawned by a trainer, and this will be added to the game like a DLC. I'll leave the link for all those in the description. Download them all. Then after downloading them, go to the GTA 5 game file location by doing this. After you go to the file location, you will see a folder called mods, because that is not normally present. I created the folder, which is what you should do now. So create a new folder called mods, but I'm going to delete this because I already have a folder called mods. So to do next, we should copy the folder update and x64 and paste them both in the mods folder, and these both files come around 35 GB in size, so it will take some time for copying. So make sure that you have copied both these folders, update and x64, into the mods folder. So next up we should have all the softwares that are needed to do this modding. So first is the Open4 software, which is the official modding tool for GTA 5, GTA 4 and many other games. Next up we have the scriptbook 5 and the native trainer 5. So we will not need the native trainer because I will be using simple trainer, which is more easier and has more features. Scriptbook 5 is the file that is needed to invoke the trainer, and this is the car that we're going to add on into the game, that is the Ford Mustang GT Need for Speed movie. Next up, this is the simple trainer which I was talking about. It is cluttered, but it has more features. Native trainer may look the best in terms of visual appeal, but simple trainer has more features and you will enjoy using this, and it will be easier to use after some training or practice. Now let's get into modding. This is the Open4 software that you download from the GTA 5 mods website. So this is how it looks. This is the directory, that is the game directory of GTA 5. And when you open the software for the first time, you'll be asked to locate the directory. So just give browse and locate the directory and you'll be good to go. So after opening the software, you will have one big thing to do. It is go to the tools ASI manager. Make sure that ASI loader and open4.asi are both installed. These will be not installed by default. You will need to install it, and the open camera is not needed unless you do some free camera stuff with your game. So make sure these both are installed. After doing this, you can proceed to the next step. Next up, make sure that you enable the edit mode from the top right of the software. So this will allow you to do the modding in the game. Before going to the modding process, make sure that you download the file, that is the add-on car file. In this case, I'm using the Mustang GT, but you may use any car if you need. And in every modding process, the best practice is to read the readme. This will give you a basic idea, and this will be enough to do the modding process after you finish watching this video at least once. Because after that, the readme is more than enough for you to do the modding process. This is the same case for me. I was watching a lot of videos, but after once which I did the modding, I was happy with the readme because I could do all the stuff by myself by just reading the readme. So make sure you read that. And now inside the update folder, we have the Mustang folder. So this is a whole folder containing all the files for the game. So in Open4 software, go to mods, update, 64 and DLC packs. As I told before, it's a DLC pack. And you can see the Mustang folder is already present because I already copied and pasted in the main folder. So it's so simple. You can just go to the folder where the Mustang folder is and just drag and drop this inside the DLC packs. It is as simple as that. So remember this, should go to GTA 5 mods, update, x64 and DLC packs and copy the main folder of whatever car you want in the game and just add it here. So that is add on, as the name suggests. So this is the main process, and you have another step, that is step 2, which is very important, because without that step your car will not be added in the DLC list of the game and you cannot spawn using the simple trainer. So now step 2, the main step, which is the important step so that the car is added into the game. So for that, go into mods, update and next update or RPF, then common, then data. Scroll down and you'll have a file called dlc list.xml. Right click on it and just give edit. open it in edit mode, so only can edit the file. So go to the readme I mentioned the last part, and copy this code from the readme. This item DLC pack mustang and item. Copy this and now go into that XML file and paste it at the last of the file. So you can see that that is my Mustang. I also have another car, that is the W Motors Fana Hypersport, because I added that car into the game also. Now give save and done with this process. This is the most crucial step, and this is step 2 of the modding process for adding add-on cars in GTA 5. Now that we are finished with the modding process, we should be able to spawn that car into the game, just done with the help of Simple Trainer. And to Simple Trainer to work, you have the script hook. So copy these both files, that is the input8.dll and script5.dll from the downloaded file, and paste it in the main folder. As you can see, I pasted already. There is the input8.dll and script5.dll. So copy those both from there and put it in the main directory. Next up, we may use Native Trainer, but it is very hard to add cars using that, so I'm going to stick with Simple Trainer. So go to that folder, and you have the file trainer5 and trainer5.asi. Copy these both and paste it in the GTAV directory folder as we did before for the scriptbook files. And as you can see, there is the both files. So this will enable you to open the trainer using some combination. Actually, this Alt plus F4 to open the trainer. So using that, you can open the trainer. You can do a lot of stuff, and including adding the add-on costs you just bought it. So make sure that the combination is Alt plus F4. This will enable and kickstart the trainer for you to play with. So now let's open the game and I'll show you how this works. There we go. We are in the Los Santos International Airport, and this is Michael's hangar. And you know Michael, he's the main man of the game. So just walking around, and let's spawn the cars. Now give Alt plus F4. Here we go. This is the simple tuner. Now go into vehicle options. Sorry, it's vehicle spawning. Add vehicles menu, and there we have the Mustang. There's a lot of slots available, so you can add hundreds and thousands of cars. So this is the Mustang GT NFS 2013 in this spot. It looks cool, isn't it? So this is the Mustang GT, and those who have watched the movie will know the value of this car. So you have this vehicle options. You can mod the whole car. You can change the spoilers, the tires, the headlights, the bumpers. You can also add neon lights everywhere, and you have this engine options like engine power multiplier, torque multiplier, but make sure you do not mess with those power and torque multiplier, because it will affect you a lot when you are driving the car. So enough of the chit chat, let's drive it. Next up, my all-time favorite, the BMW M5 F90. This is the latest version which launched last year, and look at it. It's just freaking sexy, awesome. So this car, as you all know, has 600 horsepower, but that doesn't matter because in this game it just looks cool. And the detailing is so perfect in this car. The rims, the lights, and everything. Even the interior is just like the original car. So I will leave a link for this also in the description, and it's the exact same process we did for the Mustang GT. Just copy the files, paste it, and copy the DLC and copy the file from the readme to the DLC, and that's it. You're done with the process. So now enough of the sheet share. Let's unleash this beast up. That's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Share this video with all your friends who might find this useful, and stay subscribed to the channel and like this video. So meet you in the next one. Peace.